Tsars liked artificial insemination because it enabled you to do rather crazy things. So Ivanov created the world's first Zorse, zebra-horse hybrid.
You might think you've seen it all with lions, tigers, and bears, but what if I told you there are creatures out there that combine the DNA of all three? From the majestic to the bizarre, these creatures are a result of interbreeding between different animal species, resulting in a mind-boggling array of terrifying hybrids. Get ready to be intrigued and maybe a little spooked as we unveil 15 truly scary hybrid animals that actually exist. Number 15. Spider goats. In the world of genetic engineering, there are some truly terrifying creations that have come to life. One of the most shocking examples is the spider goat. Yes, you read that right. A spider goat. This hybrid animal is a result of combining the genes of a goat with the genes of a spider. The purpose of creating such a creature was to harvest its milk, which contains a protein similar to spider silk. This incredibly strong and flexible material has numerous industrial and medical applications. The spider goat may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it is indeed a real animal that exists in our world today. It serves as a striking example of the incredible advances in genetic manipulation and the potential for creating entirely new species with unique and valuable traits. As we delve deeper into the world of hybrid animals, it becomes clear that the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed. The spider goat is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the strange and fascinating creatures that have been brought into existence through scientific innovation. Number 14. Green sea slug. In the realm of hybrid animals, the green sea slug stands out as one of the most peculiar creatures to grace our planet. This extraordinary slug has the unique ability to incorporate genetic material from the algae it consumes into its own DNA, making it a true marvel of nature. This phenomenon blurs the lines between animal and plant, leading scientists to dub it the emerald green Elysia. Feeding on plants, the green sea slug harnesses the power of photosynthesis to produce its own nutrients, resulting in its striking green hue. This remarkable adaptation allows the slug to thrive in oceanic environments, resembling a large green plant as it gracefully moves through the water. What sets the green sea slug apart is its unparalleled capability for gene transfer from one complex organism to another. This baffling feat continues to captivate scientists worldwide, sparking ongoing research to unravel the mysteries behind this enigmatic creature. These captivating slugs are commonly found in the shallows of tidal areas, salt marshes, and creeks. So if you ever come across what appears to be vibrant green leaves adrift in the water, take a closer look. It could very well be a green sea slug camouflaged in plain sight. Number 13. Liger. While many of us may have first heard about ligers from the movie Napoleon Dynamite, it may come as a surprise that these mythical creatures actually exist. Contrary to popular belief, ligers are not found in the wild, but rather in zoos and sanctuaries where they have been bred. The liger is a hybrid resulting from the mating of a male lion and a female tiger, making it one of the most well-known animal hybrids. One of the most fascinating aspects of ligers is their size. They grow to be much larger than either of their parents, which is both intriguing and concerning. While the idea of a giant feline may seem impressive, it poses serious health risks for the ligers. Due to a condition known as gigantism, ligers can weigh up to 1,200 pounds, putting immense strain on their bodies. This excessive weight makes it challenging for them to move around, let alone thrive in their environment. As a result, the likelihood of seeing a liger in motion, even within the confines of an enclosure, is extremely low. Despite their impressive size, ligers lead somewhat tragic lives. The burden of their excessive weight takes a toll on their organs and hearts, leading to a shortened lifespan. Sadly, most ligers do not live beyond a young age due to these health complications. This sheds light on the ethical concerns surrounding the breeding and existence of ligers in captivity. In addition to their health challenges, ligers possess unique reproductive capabilities. They are fertile creatures and, although rare, can mate with other ligers, tigers, and lions. The resulting offspring are even more perplexing and potentially frightening than the liger itself. This raises questions about the implications of hybridization and the long-term welfare of these animals. Number 12. Taigan. Very similar to the liger, the taigan is a striking creature that is a result of a male tiger and a female lion or lioness. Unlike the liger, which has the opposite parentage, the taigan showcases a unique appearance with its light tan stripes, white underbelly, big mane, and spotted head. It's truly a sight to behold. However, it's important to note that these hybrids are only found in captivity, as tigers and lions do not naturally mate in the wild due to their solitary nature and territorial behaviors. This means that taigans would not be accepted by either species if released into the wild, highlighting the challenges faced by hybrid animals. The taigan has a fascinating history dating back to 1943, when the first one was successfully born at the Munich Hellebrunn Zoo and raised to adulthood. While there have been a few exceptions, the majority of taigans in captivity are sterile, making each one a unique and irreplaceable individual. This adds to the mystique surrounding these hybrid creatures, as they are both rare and unable to reproduce. It's a reminder of the complexities involved in the existence of hybrid animals and the ethical considerations surrounding their care and conservation. Number 11. The zoo. Unlike many other hybrid animals that are created in labs or for the purpose of attracting visitors to zoos, the zoo is a product of necessity. It is the result of crossing a yak with a domestic cow, and it has proven to be incredibly useful in various ways. Found in the hills of Mongolia and Tibet, the zoo has gained popularity among farmers for its versatility. Not only does it serve as an excellent beast of burden, but it has also become a sought-after delicacy. The meat of the zoo offers a unique combination of flavors, making it highly desirable in culinary circles. What sets the zoo apart is its impressive size, which is not naturally achievable by either cattle or yak. This makes it a valuable asset for farmers and communities in the region. One interesting aspect of the zoo is its reproductive capabilities. Female zoo are all fertile and capable of producing offspring, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. However, the male zoo is a different story. Males of this hybrid species are entirely infertile, making their genetic contribution a one-time occurrence. This adds a layer of uniqueness to the zoo and highlights the intricacies of hybrid animal breeding. The story of zoo serves as a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of everyday people. Unlike hybrid animals created in laboratory settings, the zoo is a result of practical needs and the creativity of individuals outside the scientific community. It exemplifies how unexpected combinations can lead to remarkable outcomes, showcasing the potential for innovation and adaptation in diverse environments. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. In this picture, we see a special but terrifying creature called the Ethiopian black lion. This special breed of lion is a rare and majestic creature that roams the rugged and wild landscapes of Ethiopia. The Ethiopian black lion has captured the imagination of locals who have woven intriguing stories and traditions around these enigmatic animals. According to local tales, these lions are protectors of hidden treasures and secrets buried within the harsh and untamed terrain of Ethiopia, adding an air of mystery and wonder to their existence. However, the Ethiopian black lion faces significant challenges in its struggle for survival. The encroachment of human settlements into their natural habitat has led to the depletion of their homes, making it increasingly difficult for these magnificent creatures to thrive in the wild. Fortunately, there are dedicated individuals and organizations who are committed to safeguarding the future of the Ethiopian black lion. Through concerted efforts, they are working tirelessly to preserve the lion's natural habitat and raise awareness about the importance of protecting these extraordinary animals. Have you ever encountered a creature so uniquely captivating like the Ethiopian lion? Share your thoughts on this majestic big cat and its mysterious black coat. Do you have any wildlife encounters or tales of your own to add to the rich mythology surrounding these lions? Let us know in the comments below. Number 10. Zonki. The zonki, a peculiar hybrid animal, is not to be mistaken for a zombie donkey, although its existence may seem eerie. This unique creature is the result of breeding a zebra with a donkey, creating a fascinating combination of traits from both parent species. Given that both the zebra and the donkey belong to the equine family, successful breeding between the two is relatively feasible. However, in the wild, the likelihood of a zebra and a donkey forming a romantic bond is quite low. Therefore, it is safe to assume that any zonkey in existence is a product of human intervention through selective breeding and scientific methods. Despite its unusual origins, the zonkey poses no threat to humans, unless overwhelming them with its adorable appearance counts as a danger. In fact, much like its parents, the zonkey is far from being deadly. One of the most intriguing features of the zonkey is its coat, which often retains traits from both parent species, resulting in distinctive zebra-like patterns on its legs. However, their unmistakable hee-haw will remind you that they are, in fact, a blend of two different animals. It seems that the zonkey has inherited the best of both worlds from its parents. Nevertheless, there is a catch. Zonkeys are unable to reproduce, making each one a unique and one-of-a-kind individual. Therefore, they are considered a one-time occurrence in terms of their lineage. While there may be instances of fully striped zonkeys in certain locations, such as Tijuana, it is important to note that these could be donkeys with painted black and white stripes. For those intrigued by this captivating hybrid creature, visiting a specialized zoo may offer the best opportunity to catch a glimpse of a zonkey in person. Number 9. Jag Lion. The Jag Lion is a truly fascinating and terrifying hybrid animal that exists at the intersection of lions and jaguars, two of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. With their combined strength and predatory instincts, Jag Lions are a force to be reckoned with. These majestic creatures are the result of a highly selective breeding process and are incredibly rare, often only found in animal sanctuaries where they are carefully nurtured and protected. One of the most well-known Jag Lions resided in the Bear Creek Sanctuary in Ontario, Canada, where it lived out its days straddling the line between lion and jaguar. Interestingly, the birth of Jag Lions is not a common occurrence and often happens as a result of unexpected mating between a black jaguar and a lioness. The offspring of this unlikely union are truly unique, both in terms of their physical appearance and their genetic makeup. Despite their rarity, Jag Lions possess an undeniable allure, inheriting the best physical traits from both lions and jaguars. Their striking beauty serves as a reminder of nature's intricate and awe-inspiring diversity. However, it's important to recognize that behind their captivating appearance lies a formidable and potentially dangerous predator. Both lions and jaguars are apex predators in their own right, and when their traits are combined in the Jag Lion, the result is a creature that commands respect and caution. While these hybrid animals may appear captivating, it's crucial to remember that they possess the hunting instincts and capabilities of their parent species. In the wild, it's unlikely that they would be fully accepted by either lions or jaguars, further emphasizing their unique and solitary existence. Number 8. Holfins. Holfins are the fascinating offspring of false killer whales and bottlenose dolphins, and they have captured the imagination of marine enthusiasts and curious individuals alike. These remarkable creatures inherit physical traits from both their parent species, resulting in a truly unique and intriguing appearance that defies easy categorization. While Holfins are a rare occurrence in the wild due to the differing habitats and behaviors of their parent species, they have made occasional appearances through human intervention in captivity. Despite their rarity, Holfins have been observed to exhibit the sleek and playful demeanor of bottlenose dolphins, while also displaying hints of the powerful and majestic characteristics of false killer whales. This blend of traits creates a captivating and charismatic creature that continues to spark fascination among those who encounter them. One particularly notable Holfin is Kaimalu, who was born in 1985 at Sea Life Park in Hawaii. Kaimalu became a living legend as one of the world's first known Holfins, and her name, which means "from the peaceful ocean" in Hawaiian, perfectly encapsulates the serenity and intrigue that surround these hybrid marvels. One of the most intriguing aspects of Holfins is their reproductive complexity. Despite being the offspring of two different species, they are often sterile and unable to produce offspring of their own. This reproductive characteristic is common in hybrids resulting from species with significant genetic differences, underscoring the challenges of interbreeding between distinct genera. Number 7. Killer bees. These bees are not your average bees, as they are feared for their aggressive nature and painful stings. What makes them even more terrifying is the fact that they are the result of a scientific experiment gone awry in the 1950s, rather than a natural occurrence. The story of the killer bees begins with a noble goal: to boost global honey production. In pursuit of this objective, scientists embarked on a daring venture involving the crossbreeding of different bee species. This fateful fusion took place within the confines of a Brazilian laboratory, where the innocuous honeybee was merged with its African counterpart, resulting in the creation of the infamous killer bee. Initially, these hybrid bees were intended to remain in a controlled environment, far from the unsuspecting public. However, nature had other plans, and the killer bees made their dramatic escape. Unlike many hybrid creatures, these bees were not only capable of producing honey but also offspring, and they had a distinct characteristic that set them apart: an unwavering determination to protect their colony at any cost. While the sting of a single killer bee may not pose an extreme threat to most people, the real menace lies in their penchant for forming swarms. Encountering a solitary killer bee is a rarity, as they prefer to congregate in large, intimidating groups. These swarms of lethal insects are relentless, and once you find yourself in their vicinity, attempting to outrun them on two legs becomes a futile endeavor. The emergence of killer bees has caused alarm and concern worldwide due to their rapid spread across the Americas, often referred to as the Africanized bee invasion. This has led to countless encounters with these fierce hybrids, prompting experts to devise strategies for managing their populations and mitigating their impact on ecosystems and human communities. Number 6. Savannah Cat. Savannah cats are a truly captivating breed, seamlessly combining the elegance of a domestic feline with the untamed allure of an African serval. Their appearance is reminiscent of a majestic safari creature, yet they can be found lounging in the comfort of your own living room. These felines have captured global attention not only for their striking looks, but also for their distinctive personalities. However, their journey is not without its challenges, especially when it comes to their wild lineage. These captivating creatures are the result of breeding a domestic cat with an African serval, resulting in a feline that closely resembles a miniature cheetah. Their long, slender bodies exude a sense of adventure and are complemented by coats adorned with bold, dark spots and stripes, paying homage to their wild ancestry. Their coat colors range from shimmering gold to silver and smoky hues, serving as a testament to their untamed heritage. When it comes to size, Savannah cats reign as the heavyweight champions of the domestic cat world. Male Savannah cats can tip the scales at over 20 pounds, with some even surpassing the 30-pound mark. These are not your average lap cats. They are more akin to awe-inspiring, majestic companions that command attention and respect. Number 5. Beefalo. In a world where the demand for beef is unquenchable, scientists have developed a solution to meet the demand: the Beefalo. Bred from a male cow and a female bison, this hybrid has a centuries-old history. Initially spotted in 1749, settlers later intentionally bred Beefalo for increased milk production and resilience in harsh winters. Despite being challenging to manage, the Beefalo's exceptional reproductive ability led to its success. It not only yields more meat, but also provides a healthier option with leaner meat, lower fat, and cholesterol levels. This makes it a more health-conscious choice for consumers. With its unique genetics and historical significance, the Beefalo shows promise for the future of meat production. Scientists continue to explore ways to improve production while addressing health and sustainability concerns. Number 4. Coy dog. The coy dog, also known as the coy wolf, is a fascinating hybrid that combines the traits of a coyote and a domestic dog. Despite its name, this hybrid possesses a captivating mix of characteristics, creating an enigmatic allure that extends across appearance, behavior, and even controversy. Encountering a coy dog is a visually stunning experience. They typically exhibit a coyote-like physique, complete with a bushy tail and fur that ranges from ethereal gray to fiery reddish-brown. However, the specific appearance can vary based on the breeds of dogs involved in the hybridization. Coy dogs truly embody the merging of two worlds, coyotes and domestic dogs. They are celebrated for their intelligence, adaptability, and survival instincts, showcasing the finest qualities from both lineages. Number 3. Belgian Blue. Belgian Blue, a truly remarkable creature, is a result of selective combination of cattle breeds such as Shorthorn and Charolais. The Belgian Blue's imposing appearance is due to a natural mutation that results in a double muscling trait, giving them a distinctively powerful and robust build. These awe-inspiring creatures are a testament to the intriguing possibilities that can arise from selective breeding in the animal kingdom. Their unique genetic makeup has led to their reputation as one of the most visually striking hybrid animals in existence. Number 2. Zebroids. These intriguing creatures are born from the union of a zebra and any other equine, typically a horse or donkey. The most common zebroid is the zorse, a blend of a zebra stallion and a horse mare. This hybrid carries the distinctive stripes of its zebra lineage, often overlaid on the solid coat of its equine counterpart. The allure of zebroids lies not only in their unique appearance, but also in their resilience. They inherit a robustness from their zebra parentage that makes them more resistant to diseases that affect purebred equines. However, this strength comes with a trade-off. Zebroids are usually sterile, unable to pass on their genes. Despite this, zebroids have captivated human interest for centuries. Number 1. Superball Python. The Superball Python, a mesmerizing hybrid creature, is the result of the crossbreeding of two distinct python species, the ball python and the blood python. This extraordinary serpent possesses a unique combination of characteristics, showcasing the best traits of both parent species. It inherits the ball python's manageable size, making it an ideal choice for reptile enthusiasts seeking a pet that is easier to handle. Additionally, the Superball Python inherits the robust girth and vibrant coloration of the blood python, resulting in a visually stunning creature with a captivating mosaic of patterns and hues. The intricate designs of the ball python are superimposed upon the richer, deeper shades of the blood python, creating a mesmerizing visual display that sets the Superball python apart from its parent species. The allure of rarity and the captivating appearance of these hybrid pythons make them a fascinating addition to the world of hybrid animals. The Superball Python embodies the awe-inspiring possibilities of genetic combination, showcasing the remarkable outcomes that can arise from the crossbreeding of different species. In the wild, such hybridization may occur under specific conditions, and in some cases, it can be facilitated through controlled breeding programs. The Superball Python serves as a testament to the intriguing outcomes that can result from such genetic combinations. This hybrid creature has garnered attention from reptile enthusiasts and herpetologists alike, sparking interest in the potential for creating new and visually striking hybrid animals through selective breeding. Which of these animals did you find most fascinating? Share with us in the comments. Thanks for watching, fam. For a more mind-blowing discovery, click now on the next video that pops up on your screen.